next move is the butterfly. Now this is another of my favourites because I am a butterfly fanatic. Now the reason why this is a butterfly move is because it's a transitional move, yeah? So we need to have wings out at the side like butterflies, but we also need to be in a position to cover up and sort of, you know, shield ourselves, cocoon ourselves, because obviously butterflies go from a cocoon sort of position to then breaking free and spreading their wings, okay? So the butterfly itself is taking the arms across the body to cover the chest and then having the wings at the side. So let me do this in stages for you. I'm going to take one of my arms and I'm just going to bring it across I'm going to call it my nipple area, okay? And I'm just going to bring the fan down a little bit so that I can get my upper arm in position. So what I'm doing is I'm coming across my body and I'm covering my nipple area with my forearm. I'm then going to bring the other arm up and do the same. So I'm now going to lay it on top and I'm going to have the fan out on the other side. So now what I've got is I've got my butterfly wings. Yeah? My butterfly wings. But what's good about this is you can then very quickly bring yourself back in to covering up. Yeah? So you can go back into your covering up, your hibernating, your hiding yourself move. Arms out to the side, yeah? Bring one arm across the body, so you're sort of covering the nipples with your forearm. Drop the fan so that you can get your other arm in position. Bring it over, lay it on top, yeah? So you've got elbow to wrist with your coverage. You can even use it to give it a little lift and a squeeze. Yeah? So you can even use it there. But then what you're doing is you're taking the hands and you're using them at the side of your elbows to create your butterfly wings. Yeah? You can even come around. So there's your butterfly